Hey, my name is Sam. I'm here to perform a bed bath. I have my patient here. Um, I gathered all my stuff. I performed hand hygiene. Hey, how are you doing today?
Good.
What's your name and what's your last name and birthday?
My name is Samgusa. No, my first name is Nathan and my last name is Samgusa.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna raise the bed up. Hey, happy, move, happy. I'm going to move the bed up to a comfortable height for me, which should be my elbow level. Obviously, I can't move this bed up. So I have a bath blanket. So I assume that my patient is covered. So I'm gonna cover him with bed blanket. And at this time, I will pull the bed sheets. If he had bed sheet on, I will pull the bed sheet out, and then he will be having just this. So I will get a washcloth, clean it, and then look at my hand here, fold it, and then I'm gonna do wash his face. I'm gonna make sure I don't use soap on his face. So I was gonna start with in, and I'm going this way. Abby, move, Abby, move. And then I'm gonna sorry about that. So I'm gonna start this one again, and then wash like away like that, and then I'm gonna clean his face, and then I'm going to rinse that. And I have a towel to clean, dry that one up. Okay. And so now I'm going to slowly expose my patient. I'm going to expose the chest, get a washcloth and a soap. Then I'm going to clean his chest. I'm just exposing the part that I'm doing. His chest, clean that up. Get rinse that one up. I'm going to rinse him up. And then after that, I'm going to get another one to dry. Let dry. And I will do happy move. I'm going to do, so at this point, I'm going to cover him here. And then I'm going to rinse this one. And I'm going to wash, rinse that one. There's some soap on there. And then I'm going to wash his hand. I have a bit, sorry. I put give me that one. So I put, this is my towel. So I'm going to put a towel under his hand, while I'm cleaning. Clean that side, clean. And then I rinse it, and then after rinsing, dry it, pat dry, and then we cover that one up. And at this point, I will go and do the other arm, the other side. But now I'm going to expose all his belly here and clean him with the soap. Clean all that. Rinse it, and then pat dry. Then they'll cover that side, and then I'm going to expose his legs here, and then that one also I'm going to get my rinsed washcloth. I'm going to add some soap, and then I have a blanket under his feet. Each feet that I'm going to clean, I'm going to put a blanket there under him. I'm going to go this side for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to put this one under him. I'm going to clean that leg, rinse this one, get another one. This one is dry. I'm going to pat dry, rinse it, and then I have the blanket. So I dry it, and I do the same on the other side. At this point now, I'm going to ask my patient to roll over that side. Nathan, are you able to roll yourself that side? Okay. Just on your side, yeah, there. So I'm just gonna expose his back, and put a blanket here, and then expose. So then I'm going to get a soap in this one, and then clean. While I'm at this point now, I'm assessing his skin. Make sure the skin integrity is intact. Clean him, that, and then and then get another one, pat it dry, rinse it, and then at this time, pat dry, and then at this point, I can go ahead and change, roll these beddings, and he's able to do his own pericare. So I provided the pericare staff for him to do that. So I'm just gonna do like this, so I can take this clothes off. Yeah. Okay. Can you roll this one now? This side. Okay. And then take the clothes off here. So now he will have a clean sheet. He's gonna have a clean sheet, and this where I will go ahead and do the occupied bed making, whereby I will get a draw sheet, have the patient roll this way, roll that way. Abby, have the draw sheet. Have the draw sheet in here, tag it and then have him roll back this way, go around the other side, and then tag that one in. I'll get the bed sheet again and do the bed sheet here, bed sheet on top of that, and then I ask him to move again, tuck under here, roll him back, and come around this way, ask him to roll this way again, and then I can take all those beddings here, and then make the bed. So that is an occupied bed, and the procedure is the same. I will do the meter on this side too. So thank you. That's my so the only thing that I'm going to do, and I forgot to do, I should have done that in the beginning, is oral care. So at this time, can you get me? This time I'll get a toothbrush. And raise the head of bed up a little bit. Can you lay on your side now? So and I will bring him 2 cups, one for him to spit and one for water. So I'll rinse. I will give him oral care. Make sure I cover all the surfaces of his tooth, of his teeth. So then this moment I'll give him water to. Can you take this water? You take the water, and then rinse it in your mouth, and then spit out, and then I wipe him. Take my gloves off, and I perform hand hygiene. Thank you.